Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. So dear students, here is a recruitment update for you from OREDA. Yes, OREDA Limited, Department of Energy, Government of Odisha. What you need to do, you need to visit the official website oredaodisha.com, and here in the job segment, you can see, dear students, engagement of project engineer on tenure basis. Yes, ये जो recruitment है, this is a fixed term contract basis job, not a permanent job. Okay, for the electrical and mechanical engineering, what you need to do, engineering students, what you need to do, you need to click here. Once you will click here, you can see issue of advertisement released on the 31st March. Last date of submission will be 15th April. Declaration of result, चलो बात की बात है. Advertisement you can download even from yourself. Okay, you can download here the detailed advertisement. Let's have a discussion what it is talking about. तो ORED पहले ये बता देते हैं क्या है. Formerly known as the Odisha Renewable Energy Development Agency, ठीक है, is a state PSU under the administrative control of Department of Energy, Government of Odisha, ठीक है. So they are going to recruit project engineer on the fixed term basis or the tenure basis, ठीक है. So here we can see what they are having here. So you can see, dear students, here it is talking about, okay, just ठीक है. So here we are having, we can just zoom it little bit more. ठीक है. So here we are having project engineer. The name of the post fixed consolidated emolument will be 45,000 per month. ये fixed इन्होंने बता दिया है. Number of posts 9 they are having. Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Mechanical recognized by the UGC or AICT approved. और tenure based engagement for 2 years. ठीक है. So this is a fixed term or contract basis job जो कि 2 year के लिए होगी. यहाँ they will pay you 45,000 per month and the upper age limit is 35 years. Okay, they mention here clearly. The most of the students will think, ma'am, whether they are asking for the GATE score or not. If you are having only BTech with the 60% marks, here they mention even the essential qualification. BTech degree in electrical and mechanical engineering with at least 60% marks in the aggregate are eligible to apply. If you are having masters, ठीक है, if you are having masters or you are having GATE scorecard of last 3 years, okay, then yes, they will give you the preference, but it is not essential qualification, it is not necessary. Okay, they mention it clearly here. So we can go for the next one also. Candidate must not be under 21 and not more than 35 years. Application fees, there is no application fees. What you need to do, you need to go there, as I show you here is the website. Okay, you need to go there, you need to fill the form. It's mentioned already here. What is talking about here? How to apply? Candidates are required to download and print the application form and fill up same in the block letters only. Candidate must go through the detailed terms and conditions and also check the website regularly for any update. So they mention here, okay, with this one only you can see the form is available, you need to fill that one. Okay, and the envelope must be clearly superscribed. So it means you need to send that application form. Here, application for the post of tenure based project engineer इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड मैकेनिकल, फिल्ड इन एप्लीकेशन ड्यूली साइन, सब जो भी चाहिए वो सारी चीजें आपको देनी है. ये एड्रेस मेंशन है, ठीक है. द चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर ORDA लिमिटेड S59, दे मेंशन हियर the address of the Bhubaneswar. Closing date for the receipt is 15 days from the date of publication of the advertisement. मतलब 31st को आया था. अगर आप, if you are interested here, you need to send it now only, ठीक है, so that the last date is 15th April. Okay, they mention here it clearly. A process of engagement, they mention here, selection of the candidate shall be done based on the marks secured in the degree and the personal interaction or interview in order of the merit. Candidate qualifying the degree 60% marks होने चाहिए. ठीक है, कट ऑफ परसेंटेज इसमें ऐसा कुछ रखा नहीं है, यही कहा है. Now here they mention this important point. Candidate with post qualification experience in the renewable energy sector or having valid GATE score within the past 3 years or having MTech degree shall be given preference. अगर आपके पास experience है, ठीक है, in this domain which they are asking, if you are having GATE scorecard or if you are having masters, then yes, they will give you the preference. That is clearly mentioned here. ठीक है, and so verification होगा सारा, document verification will be there here. They mention it clearly here. Duties and responsibility they mention here. What you need to do here. Remuneration, as we already discussed, 45,000 rupees per month. Some general conditions they mention here. Any incomplete or application received through email shall not be considered as valid. So you need to send it here, okay, as a post only. Submission of the false or incorrect भी जो है cancel कर दिया जाएगा. Okay, only shortlisted candidate will be informed through post and or email for document verification and the personal interview. They mention it clearly. Other benefits or terms condition यहाँ mention की गई है इन्होंने, ठीक है. You can check this one, dear students. I think they mention here only. So this is a okay, यहाँ जो बता रहे हैं कि क्या क्या job responsibility रहेगा. And here they mention even the form also. You can check this form, you can fill this form and you can send it here. So they mention the form. What happened here? They mention this form beta which you need to submit. Here the declaration is there, form is there. So you can submit it and you can download it and you need to fill it and then you can submit it. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the official website which I show you. This is the website where you can see, you can download this specific notification. Okay, thank you.